Hello everyone! Welcome to English on Fridays. Thank you so much for watching again. As always, leave comments below. Let us know what you want us to film and we'll make that into a lesson for next time. So please hit the subscribe button and hit that like button and let's get going! This time we're gonna do a nice special about food and drinks. Why? I'll show you. Martin loves drinking and eating, and his favorite is fruit smoothie. So today I'll share with you the recipe. It's very simple, so please try this along at home if you want to. Alright, so what do we need? First, we need apple juice and yogurt, a banana, and we're using frozen fruit or berry mix, but any fruit will do, I guess. You might also need a chopping board and a kitchen knife. And a tablespoon will come in handy. And obviously you need a blender or a mixer. Alright, let's first start with the liquids. We'll pour about 250 ml of apple juice into the blender. And about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Here we go. 1, 2. That should do it. Next, we'll peel a banana. You can just do this very roughly. It's going to go into the blender, so we won't even use the kitchen knife. And we will just toss it in as is. Like this. And that's basically it. Next, we're gonna put in the berry mix. This is a nice mix of blueberries, raspberries and strawberries. We will just put everything in the blender and use the contents of the whole bag. The fruit mix goes in. And we will put the lid on. Turn on the blender and that's it. Fruit smoothie done. Look at this, it looks so delicious. There you have it, your wonderful fruit smoothie. Have a good one, enjoy your weekend, and let's subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time on Friday. Bye bye.
こんにちは。私はサリーだよ。今日のスムージーはどうだった？美味しそうだったね。今日の使った英語をチェックしてみよう。
Food. Food.
食べ物。
Drink. Drink.
飲み物。
Why? Why?
なぜ？
I'll show you. I will show you. I'll show you.
お見せしましょう。
Recipe. Recipe.
レシピ。
Apple juice. Apple juice.
リンゴジュース。
Yogurt. Yogurt.
ヨーグルト。
Banana. Banana.
バナナ、
blender, blender,
ブレンダー、
pour, pour,
注ぐ、
into, into,
中に、
peel, peel,
剥く、
blueberries, blueberries,
ブルーベリー、
raspberries, raspberries,
ラズベリー、
strawberries, strawberries,
いちご、
contents, contents,
内容、
lid, lid,
蓋、
turn on, turn on,
電源をオンにする、
fruit, fruit,
果物、
smoothie, smoothie,
スムージー、
look at this, look at this,
これを見て、
it looks delicious, it looks delicious, it looks delicious,
わあ、おいしそう。じゃあ、今週もプレゼントをあげます。みんなのオリジナルレシピやコメントくれた方の中から1名の方にプレゼント。ぜひメールを送ってくださいね。待ってます。
If you liked today's video, click the "ine" button or hit the subscribe bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.